Introducing the App-Centric Templates Dashboard Wizard. The App-Centric Templates make deployment of solutions faster, easier, and more secure with security best practices automatically applied to each deployment. The Dashboard Wizard allows users to quickly and easily create their own customized dashboards. You could either use a built-in dashboard provided by ACT, or you could create your own from scratch with custom charts and graphs. For a built-in dashboard, simply navigate to the ACT store, select the ACT you want to add, and click the Add ACT button. Now, navigate to the Dashboard Wizard tab and click Create New to initialize a predefined dashboard. Enter a title for the dashboard. Select the dashboard type customize the partition you want to link it to, as well as the virtual server and port number. Click Create and voila! Your predefined ACT dashboard is ready for use. You can monitor your SSL Insight deployment with ease and in more detail using this dashboard. However, if you want to customize the dashboard and optimize it for your use, you can create a custom dashboard. We start by deleting one of the charts so that we can create our own. Navigate to the Wizard drop-down button, and you're presented with a wide range of charts and tiles to choose from. You can also create your own charts or tiles from scratch using the Add by AX API button. Select the Charts option and enter the partition you want the chart to be linked to. With the AX API endpoint option, you can select the endpoint to either be an operation, some statistic, or a rate based on the traffic flowing through your device. Once the endpoint is selected, you can choose what data you want to plot from the endpoint and choose the refresh interval for the chart. The next step is to choose the type of charts you want to use to most effectively display the data. And just like that, within minutes, you've created your own custom chart for your dashboard. However, if you need to edit the behavior of the chart, you can always expand the chart and use the wheel button to access and modify all the components of the chart. Updating and customizing charts and tiles has never been this easy.